Circa Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas.
No decirte una cosa, tú que puedes ser lo hermoso de tu mujer, la más hermosa para enganchar o enganchar, tienes el alma, no has de quitarla. Y arriba la ciudad. Ay, ay, ay.
Hello. Thank you. So they check your ID. It's a 21 years old and above casino hotel casino. So they have the mega bar right here. Yep. Mega bar. So I have to put away my ID. It is a mega bar indeed. It's a long bar. And now this is they say the world's biggest sports book because of the screen. Yeah, and you could see how large is the screen right here. So this is the Circa sports book, which is a massive sports book. You know? And we have the slots and we have the table games. We have the table games in the middle right there. So, yep. So right here, yeah, that is the Circa Sportsbook. Yeah. So if you're going to Circa, remember to get your ID ready because they want to make sure that you're 21 years old and above. Let's see what's going on this side. So we get a convenience store. All right, that's elevators, maybe going to the second floor. And then it's our slots. And I think this is a Legacy. It's a restaurant. Yeah, it is. Oh, Legacy rooftop cocktails. All right. Then we have the concierge on this area right here. Concierge. And so these are the guest elevators. So if you're staying at Circa, so this is where the elevators are. And I think this is the one. This is an entrance and exit. Let's see. Oops. Excuse me. Yep, that is the drop-off area. So this is a center bar that they have at Circa. And then this is where you check in, hotel check-in. All right. Near table games. So they have the cashier's cage right there. And then this is their popular artwork that they placed here. So that's very popular. And there are like elevators down there. Let's see, and a lot of slots. And these are the table games right here. So I think these are elevators for the restaurants like Barry's. Restaurants, so. All right. So these are electronic gaming right here. Like we have roulette, craps, blackjack, and roulette. And this is for Club One. All right. So let's see. So Circa bar. So we have to go upstairs. So this is the second floor of Circa. And up escalator only. So, okay. Oh, that's when we could take the elevator. And so they are like Circa Essentials. So this looks like their gift shop. And then we have slots here. Yep. And then this is their popular stadium swim here in Circa. So general admission is $25. So if you want to go here, so it's open to the public. So this is the stadium swim. So this is the entrance to the stadium swim right here. And then they have a restaurant here. Okay. So it looks like this is the Saginaw's, delicatessen Saginaw's. So this is one of their restaurants here at Circa. All right. So we're going here. So this is high limit gaming right here. And then we have 8 E's, which is like an Asian restaurant right here. Yeah. And they have the cats for good luck. Mhm. Then we have a cashier too in the second floor. Then we have the high limit slots. So this is all slots. Oh, so there are restrooms in this on the right side, restrooms. Okay, and they have a coffee shop. They have a coffee shop here. Coffee shop. Oh yeah. So this is their coffee shop right here. And then this is the entrance from the garage parking. So this is the garage mahal, going to the garage mahal. And if you want to go inside Circa, so, and then these are the hotel elevators. So if you're on the second floor, you want to go to your room, so you could access it through the second floor. Slots. And slots. And it looks like they have meeting rooms and the Galaxy Ballroom. So those are for conferences, meeting rooms. So that is the elevator. Okay, so those are elevators. So from second floor, to the first floor. So those are the elevators right there. So now, so from the second floor, wow, you can see the massive sports book from here. Massive sports book. And then they have people if you want to still gamble in there. And they have a bar here. Bar. So this is still a view of the sports book right here. That's big. And then we have Victory Burger. So this is if you want gourmet burgers. So this is the place at Circa on the second floor. So this is called Victory Burger. All right. And they have slots. And they also have lids in here. Lids. And so now I'm going, oh yes, this is only the up. So this is only the up escalator. So the way to go down is the elevator. We have to access the elevator. Oh, that is quick. All right. So we have.
You go ahead.
All right. All right. So I'm by myself in this elevator, and now we will be going out soon. All right. All right. So now I just have to find the exit. I think the exit, okay. Looks like the exit, okay. Huh. So the exit will be this way. All right. So there it is. So it says Fremont Street to the left. So it's good for you to see if you're going through Circa. Inside Circa, you would know you could get easily lost inside a casino. So there you go. So this is Fremont Street. So I think we could go through here because that's the this is the escalator that we went to earlier, and this is the exit, and now we are going to Fremont Street again. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and watch this video next, and thank you for watching.